Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, the Eclipse got the Brembos on with the Evo Brembos and Evo rotors. This is a rear backside, and I am installing it on 2G Eclipse. In this case, this is a GS model, 99 GS, and I'm gonna show you because all over the internet I seen where they are installing the Eclipse GSX and GST, but I want to show you that you can do it actually on GS as well. I'm not positive on RS, but I betcha you can do. So this is a Evo 8 rear calipers. Also, this is a 2003, which is Evo 8 rotor, and this is what I'm using for this setup. So if you want to go and do something like this, right now I'm gonna do a complete install to show you how it's done, and I'm gonna go through a lot of things that you need for this install. So yeah, let's get on the other side. Alright guys, so on this side, it's a really easy swap. First thing is, you have to remove your dust shield. You have to remove it because the Brembos will not fit on there with this dust shield on. So you have to remove that. You can use one of these things and just hammer it, take it off. I will be, however, making my own dust shield with a carbon fiber piece. I might show you, I might make a video actually about that as well. But anyway, let's start it. This is a, let me see if I can focus this. This is a part number. I got it from O'Reilly's. And that's the rotor I'm going to be putting on, which is 2003 Evo rotor. Right there. It sits really good. There is no space in here, which is perfect. I like it. So now, next thing you have to have is the bolts, right? These are actually Evo. One second. These are Evo 8 bolts for the caliper that came. Except these are the bolts from Evo 8 are a little bit longer, so you have to either buy new ones or shorten these. I actually shortened them. You might want to check and see if you buy new ones to get a higher grade, 10 and above, because you don't want these to snap. If you're cutting them, on the other hand, you don't want to have them shorter than 20 millimeters, right? 2 centimeters. Okay. So install is pretty simple. It straight bolts on, guys. You just put it right there. You bolt it on the other side, and pretty much that's it. Also, the line, the brake line, it will actually screw directly on there. In my case, I'm not gonna reuse this line. I'm gonna get a braided line with things called banjo bolts, so it's a little bit flexible. And these I already rebuilt them. I kind of dropped them, and this is where I damaged them. But hey, they still look good. So yeah, pretty easy. I'm gonna put it right now on here, and you'll see that. I'll show you later. That's actually Alright guys, I want to show you now right here. I don't know if you can see. That's the rotor and that's the caliper, right? 1 second. You can see that caliper has plenty of space in between, so the rotor will not touch it. Same with the bottom side. I did not install the pads yet, but that's I'm still waiting for them. I ordered some Brembos and I'm waiting for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, remember bolts. See, they're not even sticking out. It's all right if they do, just a teeny bitty little bit, no problem. Remember, if you tightening these on and you're not planning to work on them for a while, I would suggest you put some thread locker, the red one, high strength, and that way because you don't want these to go off. One other thing is wheels. You might ask now, what kind of wheels you gonna use now? Well, thing is, you can't use your stock ones unless you put at least 5mm spacer, because it will actually scrape right here. It will touch that part. But if you use Evo wheels, you'll be just fine. So I think offset has to be plus 38, so anything above will work. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today, guys. An easy, like I said, an easy swap. Evo Brembo brakes in the rear. In the front, I'm actually doing a Cadillac Brembos, so I'll make a video about that too. So yeah, make sure, like I said, pay attention on the bolt size. Make sure the bolt is really strong. I would suggest 10 and above. The grade. Thread, that's also, I forgot that the bolt that you need is 10 point M10 1.5 thread, right? And the length is 2 centimeters, which is 20mm. Okay, pay attention on that. And yeah, it's pretty bolt on, guys. It just bolts on. Get yourself a rotors. Also, you have to use this type of rotors, which is a ventilated ones. You cannot use a single one because it will not work. The Brembo will not actually, it will be kind of offset, so you have to use this one. So yeah, thank you guys for watching again. Make sure you subscribe, of course, for more videos, because I'll be working a lot on this baby pretty soon. I started doing a lot of new things, so I'll be having a lot of new videos. Of course, I started a Instagram. Make sure you follow me over there. It's Poor Man's Car Garage as well. Check me out there, and yeah, like and share, and of course I'll see you guys next time. Laters.